Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the battery level of the left and right earbuds are different. You have to start by open the application. Now your headphones of course should be connected with the phone. And after that, you should check from the version is you have the last version. If you haven't it, just install a new version and check. Maybe it changed. Also, you can fully charge the earphone. So put it to the charging case and try to charge it to full. And the last one, if all of these methods didn't help you, we should make a hard reset. To make a hard reset, let's go to the settings. And now, put your headphones to the charging case and after that press and hold this connection button until this LED light starts flashing 3 times. 1, no, we have it, 1, 2, 3, here we go. Now, we should remove it, so click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android, forget this device, forget device. Also, don't forget to click pair new device on your Android. And now we can see it at the device list, so just click on it. That's it, thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video, it's really important to us. See you later!